Do you like coffee? I do. I have 2 new flavors of coffee that I've never tried from Black Rifle Coffee Club. Stick around and see how they perform. What I think about them. I ordered 2 new flavors of coffee from Black Rifle Coffee Company. I have the Just Black 100% coffee. There's the manufacturer's address. This is a medium roast that has cocoa and vanilla aroma, bold tasting notes, smooth buttery finish. It's a medium roast. And I get the whole bean. Made in the USA. Also a similar flavor as advertised, the Black Rifle Freedom Roast. There's the coffee information and the manufacturer's information, same. This one is a medium bodied roast with hints of cinnamon. I don't think I ordered the one with cinnamon, but I didn't see that on the website because I'm not a fan of cinnamon. This roast and bag were inspired by the Declaration of Independence. Medium roast. I don't think that matches the description on the website. I don't think I would have bought a cinnamon one, but anyway. A portion of this goes to veteran law enforcement, fire, and first responder coffee. Also roasted in the U.S. Because I ordered 2, they sent me a free shirt. My free shirt, this is my second Black Rifle Coffee shirt. I love my first one and get a lot of compliments on it when I wear it. I got a small one. Is that not a cool printed on label? I just got the plain one that doesn't have anything that would be offensive to most people. It does have a flag on the sleeve for somebody that doesn't wear that. Has their logo on the back. Very, very soft cotton. Very, very nice. Let's see what these coffees look like. A nice little pull tab. Oh, that one's not whole bean. I don't think they sent me what I ordered. I have to check my order. I prefer to get the whole bean. Still do a comparison. This is not the review I wanted to do because I wanted to compare beans and then compare them ground up. But here we can see this is the Just Black and this is the Freedom Roast. This one smells a little coffee shoppy. I think I can smell the little hint of cinnamon in it. This one smells more like a, hey, just want some coffee. Since this is already ground up, I'm going to brew this one today and see what it tastes like. Then we'll do that one tomorrow. I put 4 coffee scoops of the Freedom Roast in here. I normally put 2 cups of water from my Waffle House coffee mug in my Mr. Coffee. It ends up being about a little over 2 cups of water. Here's the Freedom Roast nearly at the end of the brewing cycle. It's nice and dark. Quite attractive. I just finished my first cup of this and I don't like it. I also went back and checked my order, and somehow I did order this in ground instead of beans. And I just missed the whole cinnamon thing in the description. But this has a really bitter aftertaste. It does not have a buttery finish to me. It's very bitter. I don't like it. Well, not looking forward to my next brew on that. But hey, I tried it. Kind of got it on the cheap because I did get the free t-shirt, and I used my Black Rifle bonus points to pay for most of this. I'm going to drink this cup anyway because, you know, coffee is life. Same amount of beans from the Just Black. I have to grind these. They look like that. Same amount of water, about 2 cups. This is the brew pot. I think it's technically still wanting to brew, isn't it? And that's what the coffee looks like. This Doesn't look as dark as the one from yesterday, but it's supposed to be a stronger flavor, I believe. We'll see. The Just Black was really good. That has the flavor that I'm looking for, and none of the bitter aftertaste. I definitely buy this one again. In conclusion, for me, this is a yes and this is a no. Thanks for watching my video about the Black Rifle, Just Black, and Freedom Roast. If you have time before you go, watch another video. Consider giving this video a thumbs up and leaving a positive comment. If you'll check in the text below, I'll provide a link for you to buy a Black Rifle coffee of your choice. Helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thanks a bunch, and until next time, coffee is life. Waffle House isn't too bad either. What do you think? Pretty cool shirt, huh? Free. See ya. If you have time before you go, watch another video. Bye.